What is going on, everybody? Another episode of 4x4 Camping and Adventures. Today's episode, we're heading down to camp and we're going to have a great night with the boys, and then we're going to cruise off to Belvedere Beach / Buffalo Beach and start doing a massive cleanup. This is our second cleanup we've done, and yeah, we're not going to get affected by COVID this time, which is absolutely fantastic. We have Bo from Outback Cleanups, he's going to be there. We have Matt from West Australian Off-Road, Alec from Intense Off-Roads, we have Slow Rolling there, we have Taylor, we have Operation Bin Chicken, all the boys that want to come down and do their part to help clean up. And of course, I will film the whole event tomorrow, but sit back, grab a beer, and enjoy the show, guys. Going, everybody, next morning. So we're cruising off, about to go meet Bo. First time I've actually met Bo, so that'll be pretty cool. We've cleaned up everything at the camp, and yeah, no, it was a good old time. But yeah, now it's time to head down to the beach and get cleaning this place up. So yeah, hopefully there's a fair few people turned up who can help us out. If not, we'll do it all ourselves, but yeah, hopefully we've got a bit of a crew down there that can give us a hand and you know, clean this beach up. That'd be pretty cool, bloody awesome. But the spirit from everyone last night was really good. Everyone was in really good spirits, that, you know, really keen to get into it. So yeah, I think we'll do a pretty good job down here with all the rubbish, so hopefully we get a whole bunch out. whole bong.
With a grinder as well.
Jeez.
They were ready for the weekend.
These boys are ready for the weekend. Have a look at it.
Love that.
And in here too.
Is it?
Probably get my shadow out of it. Look at it.
I love that.
That's so good.
Probably
Good work, boys. Oh, hello!
Hey!
Hello!
How you going?
How'd you go?
Good, man. We're having a fat time.
Yeah, oh, we got heaps, man.
We just spent a couple of hours in the dunes picking a whole pile of glass up.
Yeah, nice.
And then we've just been meandering our way down, grabbing whatever we see on the way. So.
Yeah, we found a fair bit down there. Found a bed.
Beautiful.
You know, all the good stuff. All
That's
random
good.
rubber.
Yeah, sick.
We've got a trailer load, so
Yes.
yeah. Alright, all done. We ended up with half a ton of rubbish, about 580 kilos I think the end result was. We're just sorting it all out now. But bloody awesome result. Gotta say to the guys that come along and helped out, like, huge thanks to everyone here. Done a bloody amazing job. It's a hot day. Everyone sort of took time out of their day to come down and help out, which was great. And half a ton of rubbish out of the beach. I honestly didn't expect to get that much rubbish. We were sort of teeing up a few things if this was going to be a good area and that kind of stuff, because I come down here all the time and pick up a bit of rubbish, but you don't really realise how much is out there until you start really heavily looking for it. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with the result. It's bloody awesome. Towed the actually interesting turn of events. I towed the trailer on the beach, which was in the patrol, which actually worked out to be really good. Yeah, haven't done much beach towing with the camper trailer or a trailer itself, so no, it was a new experience, so yeah, no, it's pretty awesome. But yeah, as I said, thanks to everyone that jumped on board and came out. Next one's sort of going to be mid-year, hopefully. We'll try to get something locked in for around there. And that'll be about it, eh? I'm going to go home, have a well-deserved beer, or another well-deserved beer, and I'll see you in the next one. So I'll see you at the Trucks and Trails. I'll see you in the next video. Don't see you in the next video. I'll see you later. Bye.